And for the Tar 21, I used a modified version 2 tappet plate, and it cycled fine, everything worked fine. And then I hit the spring release and the thing snapped. So you hit the release on the bottom of the Tavor, it disengages the anti-reverse latch. This reverses, that pin goes up, pushes up in this little thing here, and then when this starts to get pushed back, it binds up right on that, and it snaps off. And you find it pretty much right there in the gun. So to stop that from happening, all you need to do is take off this piece here. So it's those two screws, that one and that one there, and this plate will come off, and you'll no longer be able to disengage the anti-reverse. You won't be able to take pressure off the springs or anything, but you won't have that problem.